In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in 4 minutes. Let's add an array modifier. Let's add one more. Type G to move the selected mesh. Let's apply the modifiers. In edit mode, type 3 to face select. Type P to separate by loose parts. Let's press Tab to go to edit mode. Type M to put them to a new collection. Time to create a background plane. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis, S to scale. Please switch the render engine to Eevee and activate Bloom. I'll add a glowing emission material to the background plane. For the cube, all 225 cubes are sharing the same material. Let's switch it to a darker color. Select all cubes, and randomly move them on the Y-axis like this. We can always add the random transformation again. Let's set up the render scene. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 128 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.